Think back to your very first memory. What do you see? A flash of light? A familiar face? Or is it just a blank wall? Most of us find a wall when we try to peer back into our infancy, a phenomenon science calls childhood amnesia. Why does our brain, a machine capable of storing a lifetime of data, simply delete our first few years of life? Infantile amnesia is the universal inability for adults to recall events from before the age of 2 or 3. It is a shared human mystery. The term was coined by Sigmund Freud in 1905. He thought we repressed these memories because they were too emotionally charged for our young minds. But today, we know it's not about repression. It's about biology. Specifically, a tiny seahorse-shaped structure called the hippocampus. In infants, the brain is growing at an incredible rate. New neurons are being produced faster than at any other time in our lives. This massive growth, called neurogenesis, is actually the problem. The constant influx of new cells disrupts the existing circuits where memories are stored. It's as if the brain is constantly overwriting its own hard drive to make room for more advanced systems. But hardware isn't the only factor. Memory is also deeply tied to our development of language. Without words to describe an event, the brain struggles to archive it. Language provides the file names for our experiences. Then there's the concept of self. Until a child recognizes themselves as an individual, they can't form autobiographical memories. If there is no I, the brain doesn't know whose story it's supposed to be telling. Curiously, not everyone forgets at the same time. Cultural differences play a massive role in when our memories begin. In cultures that emphasize storytelling and elaborative parenting, children often remember events from a much earlier age. By narrating a child's life to them, parents help the brain build the scaffolding necessary to hold on to those fleeting moments. But here is the most surprising truth. Just because you don't remember doesn't mean the experience is gone. Early joy or trauma codes the emotional center of the brain, the amygdala, long before the conscious mind can process it. Those forgotten years act as the foundation for your personality, your fears, and your deepest sense of security. Your first memories might be hidden behind a fog, but they are the quiet architects of who you are today. What is the very first thing you can recall? Tell us in the comments, and follow for more mind-blowing science.